Let us see firstly what are definite and indefinite articles. The words a, and the are called articles. Now, these articles are grouped into two types, that is definite and indefinite. The article a is used before a singular noun beginning with a consonant. Now, children, we need to understand what is a consonant. All the words except the words having vowel sounds. So they are consonants. So firstly, the noun should be singular, the naming word should be single, and it should begin with a consonant, means leaving the vowel words a, e, I, o, u are the consonant words. For example, a pen, a book, a duck, a yak. So now children, it can be any pen, it can be any book, it can be any duck, or it can be any yak. So therefore, we place the article a before it because it is not at all definite in any sense. The article an is used before a singular noun beginning with a vowel sound. So what are the vowels, children? A, E, I, O, U. So wherever the vowel sound of these 5 vowels is coming, we will place an article an before it. Like for example, an apple, an owl, an umbrella, an R. Now you will say that it is beginning with H, but H is silent here. Therefore, it will be an R, an honest man. So, now we will have a look at the definite article the. So why is it called the definite article? Because the examples given, children, we will see that they are unique, they are one of its kind. Okay, so the article the is placed before a noun to specify something. So it is a specific thing, it is a unique thing, something which is one of its kind, means there cannot be any other than that. Let us look at the first example, the nouns that are one of its kind. The sun, the moon. All of you know that there is only one sun in this world and there is only one moon. Nouns that are already talked about. Now sometimes we refer to a particular thing. Like for example, there is a book on the table. So we are specifying that there is a particular book kept on the table. So when we are referring that particular book, in the second sentence, we will use the article the for it. The book is open. Names of rivers. Now all of you know the rivers are also unique. They are also one of its kind. Okay, there is no other river. Okay, there is only one Ganga river, one Yamuna river, one Hooghly river. So the Ganga, the Yamuna and the Hooghly. Now the names of the mountains and mountain ranges. The Alps and the Himalayas. So you know that there is only one Himalayan mountain range and there is only one Alp mountain range in this world. Now names of the famous buildings or monuments. The Taj Mahal, the Eiffel Tower. So now children, there is only one Taj Mahal in this world and only one Eiffel Tower in Paris. Names of holy books. So the holy books like the Bible, the Gita, the Quran, they are only single holy books. There is no other holy book of that particular religion. Names of group of islands, the Lakshadweep Islands. So there are only one Lakshadweep Islands in this whole world. The articles a and an, therefore they are called as indefinite articles. Why the word indefinite is used? Because it is not at all specific, it is not at all particular. It can be any book, any pen, any apple, any umbrella. So therefore they are called as indefinite article because it is not specific. The article the is called the definite article. Where do we use the word definite? When we are very specific about a particular thing, when we know it is unique and one of its kind. So that is why the name definite article is given to the article the. The definite article the is also used in some situations like when we are talking about the nationalities. Nationalities, children, means that the person living in that particular country. Like we say the Indians. the Americans and the French. Okay, so only those people live in that particular country. That is why the definite article the is given to them. When a singular noun is used to refer. So when we are referring to a singular noun. Now, this situation is quite similar to indefinite articles. I'll explain you. The lion is the king of animals. So now, children, there is only one. If you've seen the movie, The Lion King, you know that there is only one king of the forest. Okay, there are not 2-3 lions who are the king of the forest. So we know that there is one particular lion, one unique lion who is the king of the forest. So the lion is the king of animals. So despite the fact that it is a singular noun, we will use the article the in front of it. Now let us have a look at the exercise. Okay, so fill in the blanks with a or an. So here we will be using the indefinite articles a or an, and as you know that wherever the vowel sounds will come, we will use the article an, and where the consonant sounds will come, there we will use the article a before the singular noun. An owl and a mouse. A knife and a fork. A cow and an ox. An ogre and a princess. A banana and a peach. A pen and a pencil. A squirrel and an eagle. A helicopter and an aeroplane. A couch and a chair, a bat and a ball. So here, wherever the singular nouns are coming, like knife, cow, banana, pen, squirrel, helicopter, couch, bat, ball, chair, pencil, peach, princess, fork and mouse, there we are using the article a. And wherever the vowel sounds are coming, like an ox, an ogre, an aeroplane, an eagle, we are using an before the singular noun. Now let us have a look with the on the second exercise. The article are missing in the following sentences. We have to mark the place where the article is required with a slash, and then we have to write down the missing article or the articles in the space that is provided. So let us have look at the first example. Poplar is a tall tree. So, as you know, children, that poplar is a specific tree. It's a particular tree. So, we will use the article the before it. The poplar is a tall tree. Let us have a look at the second example. There is an apricot and peach in the fruit bowl. So, there is an apricot and a peach in the fruit bowl. So, vowel sound we will use an, singular noun having consonant sound, peach we will use a, and it is kept in that particular fruit bowl. So, the fruit bowl. Cupboard is a piece of furniture. So, what is missing here? The definite article the is missing before cupboard because it is a specific cupboard. The cupboard is a piece of furniture. The next example, farmer owns cow, goat and sheep. So all three are, it can be any cow, goat or sheep. So the indefinite article a will come before it. Farmer owns a cow, a goat and a sheep. The next example, rose is beautiful flower. So the definite article the will come because we are referring to a particular or definite flower, that is rose. The rose is a beautiful flower. Sun sets in west. So, as you know that there is only one sun in this whole world. So, the sun sets in the west and there is only one west direction. So, the west. Now, let us have a look at the other exercise. Ravi has made some mistakes in the following sentences. Find the mistakes and rewrite the sentences correctly. So, let us have a look at the first example. We have an friendly gardener. So, it's sounding a bit wrong. That is, and comes before only those words which are having vowel sounds, and F is not having a vowel sound, it is having a consonant sound. The gardener has a iron box. So iron is having a vowel sound, so it will have the article "an" before it. She also has an pet dog. So pet, P is not a vowel, so it will not have the article "an" before it. It will have the article a pet dog because it can be any pet dog. She carries an heavy box full of tools. So H is again a consonant sound and not a vowel sound. So the article a will come before it. She carries a heavy box full of tools. She gave me an pink rose. So again, pink, P is not a vowel sound, it is a consonant sound, and we are referring to any pink rose. So it will have the indefinite article a. She gave me a pink rose today. The next example, her father is an wise old man. So again, W is a consonant sound. So therefore, we will have the article a before it. Her father is a wise old man. The next example, she is a honest and hardworking woman. So H is silent here. So we will have she is an honest and hardworking woman. Thank you, students.